Hello beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be delving into the guiding steps on technology and social media detox for a more mindful morning routine. You know, your morning is the most important part of your day. Most decisions are being taken in the morning. If you want to increase your productivity level, manage your time and stay focused, morning routine is very important. But in this crucial step, we will explore the art of setting digital boundaries, understanding why establishing limits for social media and email checking is essential, and more importantly, how you can practically implement and stick to these boundaries. But before we delve into the practical tips, let's understand why setting digital boundaries is crucial. Constant social media and email checking can lead to information overload, stress, and fragmented morning routine. By establishing limits, you can regain control over your time, allowing for a more intentional and focused start to your day. Now, let's go ahead with the practical tips for setting digital boundaries. First and foremost, design specific time blocks for social media and email checking. Allocate a set duration during your morning routine for digital engagement. This helps create boundaries and prevent continuous interruptions, allowing you to concentrate on meaningful activities. I am not in any way saying social media and checking your emails are not meaningful activities, but you have to design a specific time blocks for those things so that by the time you are scrolling on social media, something might pop up and you'll be tempted to open it up and your time is taken, unless you are very disciplined so that you just have to focus on what you put to social media to do and leave. So learn to design a specific time blocks for social media and email check. And the second tip for setting digital boundaries is to leverage productivity apps that assist in monitoring and limiting your time on social media. These apps often provide features like reminders and access restrictions, reinforcing your commitment to digital boundaries. You can explore different options to find the ones that aligns with your goals. But I'm going to be sharing some links on the description box down below so that you check them up. Anyone that aligns with your goals, you can go ahead and download them and be making use better of them to set your digital boundaries. The third step is to turn off non-essential notifications. Minimize distractions by turning off non-essential notifications during your morning routine. This simple adjustment reduces the temptation to check your phone constantly, fostering a more focused environment for your morning activities. And the first steps in setting digital boundaries is designate specific areas or time in your morning routine as a no tech zone. Whether it's during your breakfast or while engaging in mindfulness practice or while exercising, having moments free from digital distractions enhances your overall morning experience. Create sacred spaces for meaningful tech-free moment because you actually need that me time, that mindfulness time where you do some practices that you don't load your head, your brain with a lot of messages. You have to take a deep breath, take that mindfulness practice, and when you are doing this, pressing a phone or going through the social media won't help you in any way. Just develop a no tech zone or a no tech time and do this mindfulness practice. It's going to increase your concentration level and your productivity level and your health as well. And the fifth practical tips on increasing your productivity level by setting digital boundaries is to prioritize high impact tasks first. Prioritize high impact tasks that don't involve constant digital engagement for the early part of your morning. By tackling important activity first, you set a positive tone for the day and avoid falling into the trap of endless scrolling on social media. Thank you, amazing viewers. That is all I have for you in this video. As we conclude the steps on setting digital boundaries, remember that regaining control over your time is a powerful step towards a more focused and intentional morning routine. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, stay tuned for more insight on crafting a morning ritual that enhances your overall well-being and your productivity. Your journey to a tech-free and mindful morning routine continues right here. Let's continue with this discussion on the comment section down below. Share your views, the tips you have used that have worked for you, and how to increase your productivity level, setting digital boundaries as well. See you on the next video. Bye.